Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see 1. What are blackheads? 2. Common causes of blackheads. 3. Your blackhead busting skincare routine. 4. DIY blackhead removal techniques. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all too familiar for many of us: blackheads. We'll be exploring what blackheads are, the causes behind them, and most importantly, how to bid them adieu for good. So if you're ready to uncover the secrets to clearer, smoother skin, smash that like button and let's get started. What are blackheads? Before delving into the realm of skincare exploration, let's take a moment to comprehend the true nature of blackheads. Blackheads, medically known as open comedones, are small dark bumps that appear on the skin's surface. They're a type of acne caused by the buildup of excess oil, dead skin cells, and dirt in hair follicles. When the pores opening is exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns dark, hence the black appearance. Common causes of blackheads. Now that we're familiar with the core of blackheads, let's dive into the captivating reasons they choose to manifest on our skin's canvas. First up, excessive oil production. Our skin naturally produces oil to keep itself moisturized, but when there's an overproduction, it can clog pores and lead to blackheads. Next, improper skincare. Not cleansing your face thoroughly or using harsh products can exacerbate the issue. And of course, a poor diet and stress can also play a role. But fear not, because we have some powerful solutions coming your way. Your blackhead busting skincare routine. Now it's time to take action against those pesky blackheads. Let's build a customized skincare routine to tackle them head on. Cleansing. Begin the routine with a gentle cleanser, sweeping away impurities, excess oil, and any lingering traces of makeup. Exfoliation. Incorporate a salicylic acid or glycolic acid exfoliator a few times a week to help unclog pores. Mask time. Use a clay mask containing ingredients like charcoal or kaolin to draw out impurities. Hydration. Keep in mind the importance of hydration, a vital step even if you have tendencies toward oily skin. Sun protection. Always, always, always wear sunscreen. UV rays can worsen blackheads and other skin issues. DIY blackhead removal techniques. Okay, we've established the basics, yet I sense your eagerness to delve into some DIY solutions. Just a friendly reminder: treat your skin with care and gentleness. Steam treatment. Steam your face for a few minutes to open up pores before gently using a clean, soft cloth to apply gentle pressure around the blackhead. Honey and cinnamon mask. Whip up a mixture by blending honey and cinnamon until a paste-like consistency is achieved. Apply it to the affected areas and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Baking soda scrub. Craft a paste by combining baking soda and water. Apply it to your skin using gentle circular motions, then rinse thoroughly. And there you have it, lovelies. A comprehensive guide to conquering those stubborn blackheads and revealing your best skin yet. Remember, consistency is key, and every skin journey is unique. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Stay confident, stay fabulous, and until next time, take